To me, this is a playoff game to make the playoffs. So this is a huge football game.
This is a physical football team that we're playing that does a lot of stuff in the run game and a lot of moving parts. It's a really good scheme that fits their talent.
We got a huge challenge in Atlanta, and we're excited this week just like we were last week, and we're going to be up for the challenge.
For a little while now, we've been in a playoff mindset. Just the way we prepare, you can feel in the locker room, you can feel on the practice field. It's just that little bit of extra pressure, motivation, whatever you want to call it, just helps guys lock in a little better.
We got 2 games here in 6 days, and we take care of business in these 2 games in 6 days. We'll have 3 days to relax and feel good, but you better put all the work into these 6 days if you want those 2 days to go right. Regardless what happens, makes the next week that more important.
Let's go, man. Hey, like I say, we the best in the world. These boys can't touch us. All right, let's come out. Let's play fast. Let's play physical for 60 minutes. Let's go play for your brother today. Let's go. Down there on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Let's go 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's a great day to play ball.
Yes, sir.
If you don't believe that, you don't need to be out there.
No, sir.
Hey, here we go. RB's on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Show everybody what you got. Too much talent, dog. Too much talent, dog.
Everybody together, play together, 4 quarters, play together. Let's go take this thing, right? They're gonna give us nothing. Go get what we want. Take it today, all right? Let's go, fellas.
Niners have won 4 of 5. Atlanta comes in. They are right now gaining some traction, but it feels like playoff football right now.
They're a group of 5 NFC teams breathing right up their backs. One of them, the Atlanta Falcons, who they'll play today.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on, baby! Let's go! Yeah! We set the tone, fellas. We set the tone. Here we go. Here we go, fellas. Let's go!
The Niners will receive in deep back Jermichael Hasty. And to kick off for Atlanta, Younghoe Koo. It's 50 degrees, there's a slight breeze, and away we go. And looking into that Northern California sun, it's taken by Hasty, and we're underway. Oh, and it's a fumble! And recovered on the play by Richie Grant! What a start! Grant got the ball on the fumble by Hasty, and in the red zone at the 12, Ryan and the Atlanta offense will have it, first down and 10 yards to go.
Let's go see how we handle a little adversity, huh?
They've got 2 tight ends. That's a pitch out to Patterson, a great block by Smith. Here's the call.
After review, when the runner's knee touched down, the ball was short of the goal line.
Official review, Cordero Patterson not quite in as he just touched down shy of the goal line.
It's Patterson, and it's a block by the tight end and the fullback, and he can't go. No gain on the play. Big one right there. Eric Armstead.
They going for it? They're definitely going for it.
4th and goal. Ryan, and off the fingertips of the tight end, Kyle Pitts, with the coverage by Jaquaski Tart. And on downs, the Falcons will give it up. Goal line stand by San Francisco's defense.
Go talk about D! Good, fellas. Hey! Don't wait, stand up, boy! All day, D, all day!
Garoppolo on 1st and 10 goes outside Kittle. He got a good block on the play by Ayuk, and he's on the roo up to the 35 and hit by Aluakon. Good time. And downfield he goes. Kittle on the fly. Rocketing one downfield to about the 17. Kittle has done it again. He has missed 2 of his last 5 attempts, but he drills this baby home from 30 to tie the game at 3. 3rd and 8. Matthews the block. Crumbling pocket. Key has got him. It's the first sack, and Arden Key notches his 5th of the year.
Stop that roll, we go have some fun. Let's go.
Nice catch right there. Ayuk on the move, getting a block downfield by Samuel. Garoppolo. This is caught by Jennings. Wilson on the move, 2nd down, 10. And underneath they go. This is Kittle. Rustled down and corralled at the 6. With Juszczyk. Juszczyk will get the call. Here he goes! Pyle driving in for the touchdown. Steering through the defense, Kyle Juszczyk.
Hey! Baby, good job! Good job, Al.
With the high snap, Ryan guns one to the end zone. Gage got it! That is a touchdown! What a catch! What a throw!
Russell Gage went up and just high pointed the ball for the touchdown.
Stay with rhythm now, fellas. Stay with rhythm.
Bajo centro está Garoppolo. Va en jugada de play action. Lanza el pase Jimmy y está encontrando a Divo. Y Divo cruza la 50 y tira también el stiff arm. Y lo sacan allá por la 44 de los Falcons.
Compton the block at the right tackle. Williams the block at the left tackle, and underneath they go. And this is caught by Jennings, who spun away from Moreau and works his way with a nifty move to the 10 and a gain of 15. Wilson was on the move, but the handoff goes to Samuel, who got the block from Kittle and takes it in, slicing for 6. 10-yard touchdown run. Deebo Samuel.
Let's go! What I'm talking about. Way to finish it, Bo. Big time plays, fellas. That's a big time drive right there.
Well, and San Francisco has all 3 timeouts, taking it to the half, and Falcons will get the ball.
Has gotten a touchdown run by Juszczyk and a touchdown run by Samuel. A team that has been thriving on the ground.
Let's keep wrapping up. That's what we need. Let's keep wrapping. That's what we need, bro. No worries.
First down and 10. Here they come up the middle, and they cut him. Ebukam comes through and gets his 2nd sack of the season. Ryan, crumbling pocket. Here comes Bosa.
I think the ball came out, too.
There was a fumble on the play at the 38. Bosa getting sack number 15.
There you go, Bose!
The 49ers recover it. His 4th forced fumble, and Fred Warner, who's always walking around with a football, gets one here, and the 49ers take over.
Great job, boy! Great job, boy!
2nd down 11. Oh, he's got Kittle again. Look at him dance, barging ahead, down near the 25. First down and 10 with the fake to Wilson. The quick throw picked up by Samuel. They hit him so hard his face mask washed apart, and down he goes near the 5, 1st and goal. Juszczyk is back there with Wilson, who gets the call. Burrowing for the touchdown.
Touchdown! 49ers! Por tierra, el jefe, Jeff Wilson Jr. de 5 yardas, aumenta la ventaja de San Francisco, 23-10 sobre Atlanta.
Come on, baby. Good job. Good job, TC. Good job, fellas. That's what I'm talking about. Happy!
They have Tajay Sharp right, Ryan. Pocket holds now going to get pressured. Throws a deep ball down the field, open, it is caught. And it's inside the 49er 20-yard line, where they're going to bring in Younghoe Koo. And he kicks it right down the middle, and the 49ers still have a 2-score lead.
Good job. Okay, we got to go in them. We got to go in them. We got to go in them.
Yeah, can't let up now.
Foot on the gas.
They're done. Good job, baby. Hey, stay locked in. We got to score again, man. All right?
Juszczyk is back there, picks up the blitz, the backpedaling Kittle. He's in a nest of defenders, and he takes it past the 45. 1st and 10. Nice run right here by Wilson as he crowbars his way through the defense and picks up 12. 9th play of the drive, 2nd down and goal, shuffle pass. Wilson is met.
Tercera y gol desde las 5 de Atlanta para los 49ers, que están en la formación escopeta. 2 receptores por izquierda, 2 por derecha. Garoppolo lanza el pase. ¡Touchdown! ¡Touchdown! 49ers. Jawan Jennings con la recepción.
Yeah, love you, man. You're crowd favorite out here, bro.
You really are.
1st and 5 from the 42. Block over there by McGarry, and right down the middle they go to Pitts.
Niners defense stepped up. Now they got a couple more downs here to try and get a stop.
3rd and goal at the 2. Ryan got away from Bosa. Here goes Ryan, trying to go in. No. Hit by Harris. Hit by Tart. Oh, they drilled him.
Get out of here! Let's go! Woo! That is awesome. That is awesome.
They have another goal line stand in them. And Atlanta convert this at the 1. 4th and goal. Ryan, end zone high, incomplete. As they were going for Christian Blake for the first time today, another goal line stand for San Francisco. And that'll do it. And the Falcons have gone to 6-8, lost their 4th and 6, and the Niners will go to 8-6 with Jimmy Garoppolo again playing a very solid game at quarterback for San Francisco.
That's a big one. Faithful showdown at home. They're loud as hell today. It was awesome, baby. Let's go.
Let's go. LC, bro. Let's get it. Got next one coming.
Big win at home, man. Got to keep it going.
Yeah. That's a big one. Titans next, baby.